Monday the 4th of November, we're going to take a trip to Cape Charles, because I've not been there on a motorbike yet. I was going to go there on my Chieftain, but never got round to it. I have 3 cameras today. I have the rear facing camera, I have the facing me camera, and I have my helmet camera. So this should be an interesting trip. I have to pay a toll on the bridge that goes across, because it's quite a long bridge. I think it's 13 miles. That should be interesting, but I'm not turning on my rear facing camera until I get closer. Done. Start that. It says 1 hour and 15 minutes. And here we bally go. Tally ho, and off we bally will go. To neutral. We're not going anywhere. Tally ho! Let's go get the blighters. So here we are, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Been a long time since I've been here. The next time I want to talk to those people on the tunnel, I will turn my radio off. Oh, look at this, isn't this beautiful? I'm in the sea. I look out to sea, and all I can see is sea. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Now that costs $14. Keep my speed down to 60 miles, less than 60 miles an hour on here. Let's hit that. 59 miles an hour, that'll do. Don't need to go any faster than that. Using my cruise control again. It's 58 degrees. I had a seat pad on. Supposed to make things more comfortable. Made things a lot less comfortable. Road work ahead. May have to reduce speed here a little bit. Let's drop down to around 50. And we're about to enter the first tunnel. I did like my Indian Chieftain, I really did. It was comfortable driving it, apart from the fact it made my back ache. But it did not inspire confidence. I didn't like being on the highway on it. Anything over 60 miles an hour just didn't feel right. This I've got trouble keeping it below 60 miles an hour. I will get myself into trouble in this, so I'm going to get some speeding tickets. I never once turned on the cruise control on my engine chieftain. I had it, I just never used it. This, I've got cruise control on. I've got my heated seat on. I have my windscreen up. I have my heated handlebars on. I have the suspension to dynamic. I have the fuel mapping to road. There's no need to put it on to dynamic, fuel mapping for a dynamic. I'm not doing that sort of riding. I have the other parts of the suspension to automatic. 3 seconds to that. Automatic, max and min. There is the cruise control trying to catch up with the speed, because we're going slightly uphill now as we come out of the tunnel. Oh, it's quite warm in here, 69 degrees. That's because we're in a tunnel and it doesn't get to vent very much. It says here, watch for trucks entering the highway. So I'll keep that in an eye. Road work ahead. Back into the tunnel, to the bridge. We've got one lane closed. I have no idea what they're doing. Looks good. All good. Right, just speed up a bit. Speed up my chocky box. And today I have something come from Wonderlic, a product designed especially for this BMW. It is to make the hand grips a little bit thicker. So I find these hand grips a little skinny and causing my wrist and hands to cramp. I'm going to get over to the right and I'm going to let this guy go past, because I am just cruising. Is this a metal deck? No. But it does move. I'll tell them.